Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Besties theme on Facebook Messenger. So first you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. Click on Messenger and you need to update your Messenger application. As you can see, my Messenger is up to date. Then you need to go back and open Messenger application. Once you open, you simply need to select any conversation from here. So I'm going to select this one and click on this icon on the top right. From here you need to click on theme and here you can see different options. You simply need to select Besties, wait for a few seconds and click on select, and now you can see that Besties theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.